Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 316. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got a 1 here and an 8 here. So this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 1, 8, 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 9. 8 here, so 6, 8. 9 here, so 6, 8. Sorry, this one should have been a 6, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 2, but I don't see any other help. So 4, 9, 4, 9. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this bottom row, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 covering here and a 4 covering here, so our 4 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. If we look at this top row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so 1, 4. 4 here, so 1, 2, 9. 1 and 2 here, so 4, 9. 4 here, so 1, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 8. We've got the 8 here, so 1, 6, 7. Same here, 1, 6, 7. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so 1, 4. 4 and 8 here, so 1, 5. 4 here, so 1, 5, 8. That means the only place the 8 can be in that column is here. And the only place the 5 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. 5 here, so 7, 5. And with that 7, we can get rid of this 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 1 here. So this is our 6, 1, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. And with this 1, we can get rid of this 1. For this column now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got the 2 here, so 3, 9, and no help here, 2, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got the 9 here, so 2, 3. 2 here and 3 here makes this our 9. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. And with that 2, we can get rid of this 2. For this box now, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 5, no help here, 1, 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 3 and 6 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 3, 5, 6. 5 and 7 here, so 3, 5. So if we look, the only place the 6 can be in this box is here, and then that means the only place the 3 can be is here. And with that 6, we can get rid of this 6. And that means the only place the 6 can be in this box is here. If we look at this column, there's something wrong. We're missing 4, 5, 7, 8, and 9. So I don't know where this 4 came from here, but that would mean that this is our 9, this is our 1, 2, 4, 1. That 9 makes us our 8, 9. That 8 makes us our 1, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 5. I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. I did just notice with this 9 and this 2, that makes this our 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 2, 5, 2 here, so 5, 7. So let's look here. This 3 makes this our 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 2, 1. We can get rid of this 1. And we're just left with 5s and 7s. So we'll just plug in. If this is our 5, that makes this our 7. 5, 7, 5, 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.